Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking CRO, Crypto.com's token, and more importantly, when you should be thinking about taking profits this bull cycle. And I'm just going to say it straight, don't fuck this up. I'm going to walk you through where the price is now, where it's been, how it's performing, and how market psychology plays into locking in gains. Let's get into it. And if you do want to subscribe to the no BS crypto related content, then do like, subscribe, and turn notifications on. And let me know in the comments how big is your CRO bag right now if you're holding any at all. Right now, CRO is trading at around 15.8 cents. That's a long way down from its all-time high of about 96.5 cents, which it hit on November 24th, 2021. So we're still more than 80% below the peak. But here's the important thing. If you've been in since the lows, you're already sitting on solid gains. CRO's been showing strength recently, breaking key resistance levels, and that's where we start thinking about locking in some profits. Not when the hype is at maximum and everyone's telling you that it's going to $10 overnight. Over the last few weeks, CRO broke above a big resistance at around 13.6 cents. And pushed past 14.5 cents on solid volume. The RSI even went over 70, which tells us the market's getting heated. We've also had a bullish MACD crossover. Momentum is on the bull side. On the fundamentals, there's been a nice bump in optimism thanks to partnerships like the one with Theta Network. Those kinds of headlines help fuel these mini rallies. But remember, every rally eventually meets resistance, and smart traders already know their exit zones before the crowd, such as retail, starts piling in. Here's how I'd think about it in this cycle in 2025. First target, around 17.1 cents. That's the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement from the recent move, and it's where we could see the first big wave of profit taking. Good spot to lock in maybe 25 to 30% of your stack. Second zone between 24 and 30 cents. That's a nice mid-range where you've got room for a 50 to 100% run from here, and it's where a lot of traders will scale out. Stretch target's going to be around 76 cents. This is an extreme bull case prediction. Some models are throwing out for 2025 though. Keep that in mind. If we get anywhere close to that, I'd be heavily trimming at that price. And then there's the blue sky scenario, retesting that $1 plus zone. It's possible if the market goes full mania, but don't build your entire strategy around it. Hold a moon bag, but make sure you're banking profits along the way, or as Raoul Paul likes to say, taking lifestyle chips. I did actually make a quick little video about what needs to happen for CRO to hit that $1 mark. I'll leave that one in the description of this video. In summary, guys, at the end of the day, you've got two enemies in a bull market, greed and FOMO. The way you beat them is by having a plan and remaining level-headed before the price gets there. Tier your take profits, stick to your targets, and remember, profit is profit. That's my take on CRO for this cycle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It really does help me a lot. Drop your CRO game plan in the comments and make sure you're subscribed for more straight talk crypto content. This is Satoshi Aoki, trade smart, and seriously, don't fuck this up. And please remember that I'm not a financial advisor and these videos are not financial advice. See you in the next video.